I've been slaving for old ladies the whole day, carrying boxes and bubble wrapping and lawnmowers. And so I watched this thing of President Trump, 8 years ago, when he told this story of his brother that was an alcoholic. And he said that, to keep kids like away from drugs and stuff. That's super true. So I thought like I didn't follow like this refugee thing at all. So it was me kind of a shock, But it's not like I was original in it. Like I watched and read like many South Africans tuning everybody that did it like as sellouts. So yeah, I don't know, like my mom and dad, I've got a dog, so it was like a different Trump, the one that 8 years ago. I think this political thing drains you. I can't believe that Denmark is taking it serious that will invade them. So I was trying, so like everybody is throwing this genocide thing, and the reason why I told the thing about British and all that was that like they have something in common with the Israelis, and there was like 60,000 people killed, and right in the, I was like trying to, because you're powerless, to my understanding, they should have traded like all their prisoners like for the hostages, and it's sort of like it lost the plot, right in the beginning. So there is the thing that they used residential areas. I don't think they were expecting a sort of like enticement, like to actually do that, and then to set yourself this trap where you would be accused of that. That's just my opinion. Yeah, politics and stuff, and war is money and all that. So in apartheid, like what do you call it, corporal punishment. I mean, I was beaten up like every single day. Like I had issues of going to school and doing homework and all that. Paperwork's not my thing. So I don't know what's that. Somebody with a suction vacuum cleaner. And I mean, the police beat you up. If you didn't go to school, they will go and look for you, And they had like we call it the sambok. It's like this plastic whip thing. That thing. And the schools that like a rotam, which is like a bamboo, very thin bamboo. It's laden salt water or whatever. It's no jokes. And also, if they, I don't have a criminal record or anything, but if they caught you, they made you like on weekends, like almost like a community service. You had to work in old ladies' gardens and stuff, which is better than getting a criminal record or anything. So I don't know about this. So you don't know what's true. I checked like Starlink is like a Ka and Ku band, so it's from about 12 gigahertz to 75 gigahertz. So I think it's like really hard to jam. So in Iran, they don't seem like nice people, So they had a ship here, and it was a big, and how embarrassing, to ask another country to leave. And I saw like Kenya made like a big deal with China, and it's what's going to happen. So South Africa is supposed to be neutral, and I think, and what I also thought, like, like with the whole Gaza thing and all that, because it was for me like a us, you, they, me, we. It's confusing, and I think, they can serve as a good intermediate, like between things. So in my cuckoo-ness that I've went to psychiatrists and psychologists, and I would tell, and the problem with having intuition, like you would do something like this, and it will play out like exactly on YouTube or wherever, like you predicted things word for word, or catchphrases or something, and around it's not like because YouTube is big, there's like billions of people, and around it's like with specific things, and like that, and they tuned my nuts. So yeah, saw this aircraft carrier going all the way, and I feel sorry for it, like to fix other people's problems back and forth. So it's gonna rain now, so